How to fix Instagram profile following and follower list hide problem. Fix follow me all step properly. Open Instagram, tap on profile icon, tap on three dot menu, scroll down, follow and follow list not showing. Tap on account privacy, on now private account, switch private, go back, this account private, problem solved successfully.